Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment today to do this custom 8.5 by 16 concession trailer. Starting off with the front, we have two half doors. Top sides flip up. We can see the RV style flush lock. It'll be on both sides. You'll have a lock that'll be for the handle and a lock for the deadbolt. On the passenger side, we'll see the inlet for the power cable. There's also an exterior plug. This trailer has a triple tube tongue. We'll have our safety chains, front jack, breakaway cable, 2 5/16 ball. As we can see, the RV style flush handle on this side and the exterior outlet. The driver's side flips up. This one's meant to have a refrigerator mounted in the first opening. So normally that would be blocked off. There's a half door there so somebody can walk in from the side. There's another flip up window. Now in that window, there's RV style window with glass and screens on it as well for when it's closed. There are lights underneath. There's an insert to cover the remaining area that gets bolted on. This trailer does have aluminum mag wheels. All the exterior lighting is LED. The bottom left of the rear has the license plate bracket and light. Now walking into the trailer, we'll see where it opens up from both sides. The flooring in the trailer is aluminum tread plate. There are built-in counters, shelves, and cabinets. There's a 3-bay sink and hand washing sink with all the plumbing ran. We can see the fresh water tank on the right, water heater on the left. The plumbing is completed with a mixture of PVC and PEX piping. Cabinet doors, push button, you can lift up on them. They'll hold open until you close it. Lock them back in place. We've got the switch for the water pump. There are also outlets and tie down points on the walls. There's the AC and heat unit with thermostatic control. Our ceiling lights are LED. Where we first walked in, we'll see the power panel, power cable, battery charger, and fuses. For all the lights on the unit, they'll be located by the entry door. We also have the thermostat for the control. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you. Have a nice day.